Click on File and Open. Select this PSD file and click on Open. PSD file link in description box. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select your logo designs and click on Place. Resize and place on T-shirt. Change blend mode normal to multiply. Duplicate the T-shirt layer and move it up. Right-click and create clipping mask. Change blend mode normal to multiply. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate. Right-click and create clipping mask. Change blend mode multiply to screen. Click on the image, adjustment and levels. Adjust the brightness. Press OK. Hold down Shift and click on Lower T-shirt layer. Make group. Move up the black T-shirt layer. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select your logo designs and click on Place. Resize and place on T-shirt. Click on Layer Style and Blending options. Follow the process. Hold down Alt and click on this arrow. Hold down Alt and click on this arrow. Press OK. Duplicate the T-shirt layer and move it up. Right-click and create clipping mask. Change blend mode normal to screen. Click on Image, Adjustment and Levels. Adjust the brightness. Press OK. Hold down Shift and click on Upper and Lower T-shirt layer. Make group. This is the final result. If you want to learn how to make this type of logo, then comment me in the comment box. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.